Hey friends, Mike here, and I'm betting that you want to know how to turn your color photo to black and white, and I'm here to show you how to do it. So what do? The easiest way, just hit V on your keyboard and wait for your computer to take, there we go, okay? You hit V and you've got your black and white. Now that you've got V, what happened was it changed the profile that you have up here inside the basic tab. And so right now we're on camera monochrome version 2, so it's taken the monochrome version from my camera, matching it, and it's version 2. But you can click here, you can come down, you can hit adaptive black and white as an example. More, less, more. That's kind of nice. You can go down to Adobe Monochrome and its version, or you can click on the profile viewer and hit black and white, and it'll show you all of the different monochrome that you have. And so if you look inside here under black and white or B&W, we have 17 different profiles. And so let's try, and you just hover your mouse over them and it'll show you what they look like. So let's just go ahead with 7. I'm going to click on 7. I'm going to click close. Then I'm just going to hit auto. See what it does. Not too bad. I'm going to add a little clarity. I'm going to add a little texture. I like texture. We can dehaze a bit if we want. Let's see. Zoom in. Yeah, you can still see the people's faces. They're not blown out. Man, that lady looked like she was really bored. Look at her. She's seeing the most amazing sunset in Venice from the Ponte Rialto, and the sun is coming down, and anyways, it was beautiful. I don't know why she's doing that, but anyways, you know. So yeah, that's how you change your photo from black and white, or from color to black and white. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure to click that subscribe button so you can be informed whenever I release little videos like this again. So you could be some of the first to know it. So, yep, that's it. That's my end. So I'll talk to you guys on the next one.